Hey, it's Haley from Kingdom Cuisine. Today we're going to be talking about sausage gravy and biscuits from the Wine Country Brunch. Wine Bar George is the place to be when it comes to weekend brunch at Disney. From the Dole Whip mimosas, yum, to the delicious food and lively atmosphere, Wine Bar George has become the go-to spot for many Disney fans. Brunch offerings range from a delightful Eggs Benedict to the perfect plate of French toast. On the Wine Country Brunch menu, guests will find a classic sausage gravy and biscuits. The soft, warm, and flaky house-made biscuits are smothered in a smooth and flavorful gravy that is loaded with fresh and tender sausage. The dish is topped off with pieces of crispy bacon that bring it all together. This is a large meal and can be even more magical with 2 eggs added, for an additional cost. While this may be one of the heavier options on the brunch menu at Wine Bar George, it is packed with flavor and is a traditional Southern brunch staple you don't want to miss. Guests can enjoy the Wine Country Brunch at Wine Bar George on Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. We will see you there! Do you love food and all things Mickey-shaped? Share your delicious snacks with us on Instagram and be sure to tag #SnackSquad to be featured.